All right, guys. I just wanted to share this with you quickly. So basically, I have a new computer, a new laptop, and I realized that on my previous laptop, and the reason why I have a new one is actually because the previous one kind of just broke down. I couldn't actually open it, so I had to kind of reboot it, take it to a place that kind of fixes computers, and they kind of rebooted it again. Luckily, they didn't really take anything out, but they did change, or let's say upgrade the system. So the biggest concern I had as soon as that happened is what happened to my Bitcoin ordinals that I inscribed, which is on my Sparrow wallet, which is on that particular computer. So look, I just wanted to share this process with you because I know how for those who absolutely love Bitcoin ordinals like I do, and who for those who actually have been following this channel and we use the Sparrow wallet, I wanted to basically share my experience and what happened, what I had to do to kind of let's say reclaim those ordinals. So pretty simple. I literally again went to the Sparrow wallet website, downloaded it for my new computer and for the system and operating system, and you literally just go through. Obviously, it'll ask you to import. You type in your mnemonic phrase, but I think the other thing there is important, which I didn't do because I got kind of confused. It's been a while, and again, this is kind of the crazy thing using the Sparrow wallet and this whole kind of inscription thing is that it asks for a passphrase. Now, I forgot whether I'd actually used the passphrase. So actually I didn't. So anyway, just so you know, so you do try to remember if you use the passphrase, but I didn't. So you click next, and then it will ask you, of course, to name your wallet. So I use the wallet. Now it looks like, by the way it's prompt on the Sparrow wallet, it kind of looks like you could say name it again, a new one, but to be safe, I named it exactly the same as I had done previously. Then after that, it asks for the password. And again, the way the prompt kind of looks like, it doesn't look like it's asking for the password. It looks like you're creating one. But anyway, type in, obviously, if you did put a password in or kind of put that ability to have a password when you first created it on your previous laptop, do it again. And that's what I did. And of course I put exactly the same password, and then you've got to confirm that password. And then once I clicked obviously open or import, it basically then started looking for it, and then finally boom, it comes up, and the UTXO comes up. And you realize you do have that inscription there in your Sparrow wallet. So anyway, again, I went through a couple of mistakes, and I had to kind of redo the ones that I hadn't done because I have four inscriptions, all under a sub 60K, which I'm proud to say. But anyway, look. If you guys have any other better systems or ways, or kind of gone through the same thing, put the comments below in the link, and I'd love to hear about your stories. I know how important these things are to everybody, especially me, since it is something that I'm quite proud that I did do myself and hold with which are these Bitcoin ordinals. But love to hear from you guys, and of course do follow us. Click that like; it's very much appreciated, and subscribe to this channel and turn that notification bell for more of these kinds of videos. Anyway, I'm Gabriel for BIGONES.NFT. Over and out.